Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Travel with us this week up I-35 to Denton County. In fact, we'll be in Denton, Texas. So was the county named after the city or the city after the county? But what we will know is what goes into building a 6-foot tall, pre-stained budget fence. And all that's next on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction, Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com, if you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. Today's project is a beautiful western red cedar fence that is sturdy and yet affordable and works for almost every neighborhood. As I said, this fence is all western red cedar. Those are 5 1/2 inch dog-eared pickets that are pre-stained in that color. If you want to try to match it, is Ready Seal Pecan. Okay, let's go inside and look at the back side of this fence so you can see where it gets its strength from and what to use. Once again, this is a 6-foot tall western red cedar dog-eared picket fence. Those steel posts are .95 wall thickness galvanized steel. They're 8 foot apart. They're about 2 foot deep in the ground, held securely with maximizer concrete. Those are Simpson post brackets, 3 of them on each post, and those support those 2x4 rough-hewn western red cedar nailers. Don't let an unscrupulous fence company talk you into using pine for the nailers. They won't last. You'll be calling somebody like me to ask how to fix it, and you can't. Like I said, the pickets are 5 1/2 inches wide, and they're held to those nailers with stainless steel ring-shanked nails. That is a stainless steel nail with threads on it like a screw. It holds really, really well. Don't let anybody use galvanized. That's why you see the black coming out of the nail holes on the fences. And then last but not least, like I said before, the color is Ready Seal Pecan. It is very seldom that I go in a backyard and the gate doesn't drag and I literally have to pick it up to open it to get in it. And that's for a couple of different reasons. First of which, they're not supported with enough posts on either side of the gate. You'll see this one has 2 on either side. It is framed out of the same western red cedar 2x4s. And then when we go to the other side, you'll see that instead of being held with 2 hinges, there are 3 hinges that are bolted into these frames. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut up and let you take a walk around this job, take one last look. I took this video right before the crew got done. That dirt will be raked up, but I wanted to go ahead and get this done. So here we go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next week on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Don't forget our new downloadable ebook, Affordable Backyard Secrets. It's all the tips and tricks we tell you about every week, but it's all in one spot. You don't have to listen to me talk either. Go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com. Get your copy today. See you next week.